Attention investors and developers. What if I was to tell you that this commercial property, should you purchase it, would allow you to sit back and let the building pay you? Welcome to 1102 Bladensburg Road Northeast, Washington, D.C., in the Trinidad neighborhood. This two-story mixed-use commercial property is 2,292 square feet and is listed for $1.3 million. On the lower level, you have a fully functioning and operating hair salon. All of the hair salon equipment transfers with the purchase. The lower level was expanded to build out this office space to manage the salon. However, as the new owners, you can allow your imagination to run wild and use this space for whatever you see fit. Upstairs, you'll find 2 apartment units. This is the efficiency unit with the living space, kitchenette, a closet, and a full bath. Across the hall from this unit is the 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment with a full bath, large bedroom, amply sized living room, and kitchen. In the rear of the property, there's parking space for cars off the alleyway. So don't miss your opportunity to come out and view 1102 Bladensburg Road Northeast. Contact Keith Jackson with the KJAX Group for more information at 240-600-0200.